We will install it somewhere over here. First, let me put this for sticky mount. And as of now, I will use this suction mount. We just have to press it and rotate this. And then this power cable will go here. And this other end should go over here. Now, as pointed out by my camera assistant, this looks very bad. This looks very ugly. So we are going to hide this wire along the car frame. This wire, we will take it up inside this and run through over here. All the way to the USB. So hiding this cable under this beam cover or this top cover is quite easy. And for that they give you this prying tool. So you just have to pry open the edges and put cable inside it. There is a plenty of space over here, but now when you come on this beam, here somehow you have to put the cable inside. And then once you come to the door, here there is a rubber seal. You can put the cable behind this rubber seal and run along this door boundary all the way up to here.
Oh, just under is visible sometimes.
You can see here, wire is perfectly hidden. Now the only part remaining is this, which we have to put all the way inside over here. There is plenty of space. We just have to be creative. This much section is visible. We can put it inside, but this is a new car. I don't want to torture the car much. But only this much section is visible over here. And then it is fully inside. And the excess wire also I put inside this. From there it comes to the door. And then it runs along this rubber seal up to the top corner. And again you can see here little part is visible. But again, this doesn't matter. Only little part is visible. We can again put this inside, but as I said, should not torture car much. And then this part is visible. So now if we start the car, camera should start and start recording as well. Let's try. See?
Video mode. Recording started.
And now if we turn off the car, it should turn off also. Car is turned off. Turned off. From outside it looks like this. So if you like the video, please hit that subscribe button. That's all for today, and I will see you in the next one.